Hey, outdoor lovers! Are you tired of bugs ruining your adventures? Well, I've got a nifty solution for you. Let's dive into a basic way you can make your very own bug spray using just a few simple ingredients. Trust me, it's easier than you think and super effective, and it contains absolutely no DEET. First up, you'll need some essential oils. Why? Because bugs hate them. I recommend using citronella, eucalyptus, or tea tree oil. These aren't just powerful at warding off mosquitoes, but also smell pretty great. You'll need about 30 drops of whichever essential oil you choose. Next, grab some witch hazel. This stuff is magic. Not only does it help dilute the oils, but it also soothes your skin. A big plus if you've been scratching at those bug bites. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of witch hazel. Now let's mix in some water to balance out the mixture. About a quarter cup should do the trick. This helps in spraying the mixture more easily without it being too oily. Here comes the fun part. Mixing. Pour all these ingredients into a spray bottle and give it a good shake. Make sure everything is combined nicely. There you go, your DIY bug spray is ready to fight those pesky insects. Before you rush out and spray yourself all over, do a patch test on your skin to make sure you don't have any reactions. Safety first, right? Once you're clear, spray it generously on your clothes and exposed skin before heading out. And just like that, you've taken a big step in making your outdoor experiences more enjoyable, minus the uninvited bugs. So go ahead, give it a try, and let nature be your playground without any bug-related interruptions. Remember, staying protected doesn't have to involve harsh chemicals. With your new homemade bug spray, you're all set for your next adventure. Check my bio for the link to a foolproof DIY insect repellent by that 1870s homestead on YouTube. This is the formula I use. Happy trails and keep exploring.